Hello everyone, my name is Harjot Kaur. Today me and my friends Lavdeep Singh and Harpreet Singh are here for our research report presentation on ERP systems integration with IoT. So here we will talk about our part which we have done in this report. So let's begin with the introduction. So first of all, what ERP system is? ERP system stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So business process management software that allows an organization to use a system of integrated applications to manage the business and automate many back office functions related to technologies, services, and human resources. It involves product life cycle management, supply chain management, warehouse management, customer relationship management, sales order processing, online sales, and lot more. Then the second thing is Internet of Things, which we also known as IoT. So the IoT is a network of interconnected objects able to collect and exchange data. It can be used to control mechanical, electrical, and electronic system. So why to integrate IoT with ERP? First of all, IoT is still at the beginning stage. If IoT and ERP will work together, then it will be better. Then physical items with scanner tags can be easily scanned with the help of IoT and integration of ERP. After that, movement of goods can also be tracked. Then it's also very easy to keep record with the integration of IoT and ERP. A contrast between current ERP system and IoT. It displays and execute arranged business forms in an undertaking domain with a consistent number of procedure sets, physical items with scanner tags. Then IoT accompanies a huge number of gadgets as potential assessed in a web-like structure having the option to neatly accomplish portions. After that, ERP framework gives an approximately coupled methodology, depends on the service-oriented architecture. Then IoT administration utilized local programming segment on IoT gadgets. Now the use case scenario with the IoT. Uh, First of all, breakdown is recurrence of the item or anticipating the breakdown of the machine. Then to anticipate the load on the machine. After that, early indication for any early delivery slippage in the supply chain module. And last one is send data to IoT for any early signal of a breakdown or unnecessary vibration from spares. So now next part my friend Labdev will continue. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Lavdeep Singh and my student ID is 3036240. So I will present the next slides. So here ERP and IoT integration in manufacturing sector. Benefit of integrating ERP and IoT in manufacturing sector are as follows. The first one is empowerment. Basically, the empowerment is advancement of computerized innovation and stakeholder being engaged with data. Moreover, the advancement of such innovation empowering continuous corresponding among people and machines. It improves decision making and increase the productivity. The second one is intelligence. In an industrial sector, and IoT arrangements could present insight in numerous territories or areas. It will help to manage in making proactive choices to successfully control the crisis. The third one is automation. It helps to reduce the dependencies on human mediation to run everyday tasks and improve the quality and the quantity. The next slide is methodological approach of integrating IoT with ERP systems. A proposed frameworks for integrating ERP and IoT consist of following components. The first one is discovery. Discovery is the representation of the period when company feels to need of integration its ERP, which has done in different type of steps. The second one is implementation. After accepting the IoT technology, implementation task place which involves preparing the project as well as behavior for the IoT. And the third one is usage. This is the post implementation phase where the company use the existing system as long as it is profitable for the company. And here the proposed model for the IoT and cloud-based ERP system integrations. The first one is semantic web techniques, artificial intelligence planning method, allowing the integration and the interpretation of IoT services and APIs, permits the integration of IoT with the chosen cloud-based ERP system or with multiple ERP systems. And the most vital part is the requirement of creation of valid and meaningful mapping and the transformations. And my last slide is the dual effect of using integrating IoT and the ERP system by organizations. Here's the benefits. First one is higher granularity data. The second one is large volumes with greater heterogeneity that's originating from huge number of sources. The third one is more convenient than the traditional data. And here's some dangers: privacy and security. ERP contains a lot of data. That high amount of data have great threat to the privacy and security of the users.
Hello everyone, my name is Harpreet Singh. Now I'm going to tell you about the technical issues. Some of the technical issues related to the integration are as follows: the device management, lack of guidance and standard architecture, and heterogeneity. Social issues. Some of the social issues related to the integration are as follow: user acceptance and privacy issues. Case study. Case study, the ERP system or enterprise resources planning system are the business management system which are comprised of a set of understandable software which are further designed for the integration and management of all the business functions in as industry, and the applications for supply chain management, quality management, project management, material management, sales and distribution, fin financially and accordingly and accountingly, human resources, etc. are included. Design of logistic cloud framework, performance and evaluation, equipment performance evaluation, web server performance evaluation. Conclusion. So the ERP system as well as IoT, Internet of Technology, have been the today's trend because of the various benefits they each provide individually. If both of these are integrated, the doors of number of opportunities can be open. The use of both can save a lot of time as well as human resources. But the benefit comes but with benefits comes some challenges too, which serves as towards the integration of both of these, whether they are technical challenge or the social challenges. But if these challenges can be overcome, a lot of advantage can be taken from the integration of these two.